Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gate Diary. So in previous lecture, I practiced a few numericals of previous year Gate exam. The same I will repeat in today's also. So agenda for today lecture is to solve the numerical which are asked in the previous Gate exam. Okay. So let's start. First numerical. The numerical is if P1 and P2 be the iron and copper losses of a transformer at full load, okay, and maximum efficiency is at 75% of the full load, then what is the ratio of the P1 and P2? Okay, P1 and P2, P1 is the iron loss and P2 is the copper loss, okay, and maximum efficiency is given to you how much? 75%, okay. So you have to tell what will be the ratio of P1 and P2. So, you know condition for maximum efficiency. Maximum efficiency condition is when the iron loss is equal to full load copper loss. Okay. So, iron loss P1 equal to full load copper loss. This is basically okay. P1 equal to x square into full load copper loss P2. You know what is the value of x? X is percentage of load and it is 75%. Okay, it is given to you. So P1 equal to 75 means 0.75 whole square into P2. You have to calculate P1 by P2 ratio. Okay, so this is basically 75 by 100 whole square 25 3 25 4. Okay. P1 by P2 equal to 9 by 16. So this is the answer. Okay. Next thing, very important numerical asked in the GATE exam 2014 or I think 16. A 300 kV transformer has 95% efficiency at full load. Okay, 95% efficiency at full load, 0.8 power factor lagging, and 96% efficiency at half load, unity PF. Then you have to find out the iron losses, PI and copper losses under full load operation. Okay, and second point, you have to calculate what is the maximum efficiency at unity power factor load. Okay, so let's solve. You know the formula of efficiency. I told you V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus losses iron loss plus copper full load loss. Okay, इसी को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई कर लेते हैं. When you will write this current किसमें लिखेंगे आप? परसेंटेज में लिखेंगे तो आप इसमें यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे x से. अगर आपको लोड परसेंटेज गिवन है और कॉपर लॉस आप कैसे निकालेंगे? फुल लोड मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए आप इसको by x square. Okay, this is your modified formula. So उसने क्या बताया? 95% efficiency at full load 0.8 pf. Okay, so efficiency 0.95 at full load and 0.8 pf. Okay, full load is 1 per unit, power factor 0.8 divided by full load, x की वैल्यू 1 है, वोल्टेज 1 है, प्लस pi प्लस it is on full load, so x equal to 1. फुल लोड के लिए क्या है आपका? फॉर फुल लोड what is the value of x? X equal to 100%. Okay, full load. So by solving this equation you will get one relation between pi plus एक आपको equation मिल जाएगी. This is equal to 0.04210, equation number 2. Okay, next 96% efficiency at half load unity PF. Okay, so इसके लिए भी आप इक्वेशन यहाँ पे लिखिए 96%, 0.96 हाफ लोड एंड यूनिटी PF. हाफ लोड 0x का वैल्यू क्या है, हाफ लोड के लिए 50%, 50% मीन्स 0.5. So 0.5 plus iron loss आपका constant plus what about this, ये होता है आपका x square into P copper full load loss. Okay, so 0 में x का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे यहाँ पर 0.5 डिवाइड बाय 0.5 प्लस PI plus 0.25 P copper full load loss. Okay, after solving this equation you will get some relationship PI plus 0.25 P copper full load. ये मैं आपको एकदम शॉर्टेस्ट ट्रिक आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. So this will be equal to equation number 2. This will be something 0.020833. So equation number 2 and 3 you can directly solve. Equation number 2 plus P copper full load. यहाँ से आपको you can calculate two values from the two equations. Simple linear equation 0.04210. Equation number 2. After solving this equation you will get something, the value of P copper full load loss. This will be equal to I think 0.0283. It is in per unit. Remember, it is in per unit. Iron loss is 0.0138 per unit after solving equation 2 and 3. Okay. Now in the numerical, what is asked? He is asking the iron, PI and copper losses in kilowatt. Okay, in kilowatt, how to convert actual value? You know, answer is in per unit. Actual value is how to calculate per unit value into base value. You know, base value is given to you 300 kV. It is the base value. Okay. So how to calculate the actual value? Actual value you can calculate directly. P copper full load equal to how much? This is the per unit value into a base value. How much? 300 kV. So multiply it 300 kV. So you will get answer in kilowatt. So this is something 8.51 kilowatt. Similarly, you can find out iron loss is 0.0138 into base value. So this is equal to 4.12 किलोवाट. काफी इजी है और शॉर्टेस्ट ट्रिक मैंने आपको बताया. पर यूनिट में सॉल्व करने के बाद you can multiply it with the base value, you will get the actual value. Okay. सेकेंड पार्ट इसने क्या पूछा आपसे, what is the maximum efficiency at unity PF load? Once you know the value of PI and P copper full load, you can find out the maximum efficiency. You know what is the formula of maximum efficiency? Eta maximum equal to how much? X V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by X V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus this is load PF actually 2 PI. This is the, because at maximum efficiency iron loss equal to copper full load copper loss, that's why I am writing here 2 PI. So this is the actually this is the formula to find out the maximum efficiency. So you have to calculate the maximum efficiency at unity PF load, and this is the formula. So this is basically 1 into voltage is also 1, current 1, cos phi 2 unity PF divided by this is also 1 plus 2 into PI. You know, per unit value of PI is how much? 0.0138. After solving this, you will get something 0.0138, you will get eta max equal to this one 96.2. Okay, you will get 0.962. In percentage, you will get 96.2% maximum efficiency at unity PF load and full load. Okay, so this is your answer. ये फॉर्मूला आपको रखना है माइंड में, eta max equal to plus 2pi. Okay, next is, हाँ, this is very important. ये IAS में पूछा 2003 में, the full load copper loss of a transformer is twice its core loss. Okay, copper loss, full load copper loss, it's equal to twice of its core loss. Okay, it is given to you. At what percent of the full load will be the efficiency be maximum? You know, for maximum efficiency, you have to calculate what will be the load percentage. Okay, at what percent of load efficiency will be maximum? You know the formula. Our formula is basically x square P copper full load loss equal to this one Rn loss. Okay, so directly you can calculate, and it is given to you this P copper full load equal to 2pi. So put this value in this value. Okay, so x square into 2pi equal to pi. So pi cancel, x square equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1 by root 2. After solving this, you will get something x equal to 70.7%. This will be something 0.707. So easy है काफी. Once you know the concept, you can directly solve the numerical. This is the condition basically for maximum efficiency. X square P copper full load is equal to Rn loss. Okay, and this is full load copper loss is given to you equal to twice of its core loss. So easy है. Next, ये गेट में बेसिकली गेट में पूछा आपसे. Hysteresis loss of a transformer designed at voltage V and frequency F is pH. pH directly proportional to, you know, F Bm की power n. Okay, you know this formula. And if the transformer is operated from a voltage xv, so this is 1. If the transformer is operated at voltage xv and frequency x into f, the hysteresis loss of the for a Steinmetz constant of 2 and is equal to given to 2 will be the, okay, you have to find out hysteresis loss at when you will increase the voltage with xv and frequency with x into f. So ये है आपका relationship. इसमें जो आपका flux density, this is constant. So relationship you can modify because Bm is constant. This is directly proportional to F. Okay. So equal to F1, equation number 1, in pH2, F, it is replaced by X into F1. Okay, equation number 2. So you have to calculate pH2 by pH1 equal to X F1 F1. So easy है. जो आपका hysteresis loss, it will be X into pH1. Okay. So this is X into pH. Easy है. Next numerical है आपका. This numerical is also asked in the GATE exam. So a transformer has a core loss of 200 watt. Core loss, it is given to you 200 watt. Once you know the concept, तो आप easily कर सकते हैं आप regulation and efficiency से related numerical. Copper loss, full load copper loss. Copper full load, it is given to you 800 watt. The maximum efficiency of the transformer will occur at full load current. इसमें भी आपको x percentage निकालना है. At what percent of the full load current you will get the maximum efficiency. So what is the formula? Formula is x square P copper full load equal to iron loss. So you have to find out x square P copper. It is given to you 800 equal to 200. So directly you can calculate. It is 2 by 8, 1 by 4. So x equal to 1 by 2, 0.5, and x percent is 50%. So on 50% of full load, you will get the maximum efficiency when the iron loss is 200 watt and the full load copper loss is 800 watt. Okay, easy. Next, this is important numerical. Actually, this is numerical is given in the PS Vimbra. Okay, I will tell you the numerical number. Actually, it is on the page number 39. Page number 39. Page number 39. This is 1.16 numerical. PS Vimbra. Please check its solution. PS Vimbra. They solved with a lengthy method, but I will solve here with a short method. Okay, or you can say I will solve this numerical in per minute. So what is the numerical? For a 200 kVA 4000 by 1000 volt single phase transformer, draws an equivalent circuit referred through low voltage side and insert all values given that transformer efficiency at unity PF. Okay, what you have to do? You have to draw an equivalent circuit diagram of the transformer at lower side, low voltage side. So equivalent circuit diagram is something RC and JX5. Okay, I am drawing the equivalent circuit diagram referred to the low voltage side, and this is R equivalent and JX equivalent. Okay, you have to insert all these values with the help of given data. Okay, data is given to you. What is the data? He is saying transformer efficiency at unity PF is 97%, 0.97. You know formula at unity PF is 97%. Unity PF means 1 divided by 1 plus Pi plus P copper full load. Okay, so from here you can get one relationship between one equation you will get after cross multiplying. Okay, you will get something Pi plus P copper full load equal to how much? 0.03092. I am solving this numerical in per unit. Okay, so equation number 1. Okay, so 97% efficiency at unity PF, both full load and 60% of full load. Okay, so next equation आपकी बन जाएगी, ये बनी आपकी full load पर, means x equal to 1 था यहाँ पर full load, और सेम एफिशिएंसी है आपका एट 60% ऑफ फुल लोड. तो नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन भी आप बना सकते हैं यहाँ पे. 97% एफिशिएंसी आपकी है यूनिटी पीएफ एंड 60% लोड. सो एक्स का वैल्यू है आपका 0.6 डिवाइड बाई 0.6 प्लस पी आई प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इट इज 0.6. Okay. So from here you can write one relationship. This is something Pi plus, after cross multiplying you will get 0.36 P copper full load equal to how much? You will get 0.01855. Equation number 2, after solving equation number 1 and 2, solving 1 and equation 2, you will get something Pi equal to 0.0116 per unit. I am solving this numerical in per unit, and peak copper full load equal to 0.01932 in per unit. Okay, you know this copper loss at full load. This is equal to basically I square R equivalent per unit. So this is at full load means it is 1. So directly you can say this is full load equal to R per unit. Earlier also I told you about this concept. So this is directly given to you R per unit. It is directly given to you R per unit equal to P copper full load loss equal to 0.0132. It is in per unit. Okay. So this will be equal to in per unit. Keep in mind. Okay. Shortest trick आपको बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. Once you have calculated iron loss and copper loss, you can find out the actual value also of iron loss. How to find out? Per unit value into base value. Base how much? 200 kVA. Okay. So if you will multiply it with 200 kVA, you will get the actual value of core loss. Okay. But you have to focus on your target. Target is you have to find out the value of RC, X5, R equivalent, X equivalent. Another data is also given to you. Data is with no load PF is 0.25 and full load regulation at 0.8 PF lagging is 5%. So you have to given no load power factor. No load power factor means you have to given cos phi naught. No load power factor equal to 0.25. So with the help of this concept, because you know iron loss equal to 0.0116 per unit, you know no load power factor, so you can easily find out the loss component RC and X5. So let's see how to find out. Okay, now you have to remember the open circuit test of the transformer. Okay, because you have these two reading PI and no load power factor, you can directly find out RC and X5. See how? You know PI equal to V square by RC. Okay, V 1 per unit, RC it is given to you how much? RC you have to find out. PI it is given to you how much? 0. PI is 0.0116. 0.0116. So from here you can calculate RC, and RC is 86.206 per unit. Remember, I am calculating it per unit. Later I will convert this per unit into actual value. Okay, RC, and directly you can find out X5. Remember the open circuit test I explained in my lecture. X5 equal to RC by tan phi naught, and phi naught is given to you. Once you know the cos phi naught equal to 0.25, so phi naught equal to cos inverse 0.2. It is how much? Phi naught. Okay, phi naught is 75.52 degree. Okay, so tan phi naught easily you can calculate. So x phi equal to RC 86.206 divided by tan 75.52. So x phi equal to 22.2582 per unit. You have calculated RC as well as x phi also. Okay. Now you have to find out R equivalent and X equivalent. So to calculate the R equivalent and X equivalent, data is given to you. See what is the data. Data is full load regulation at 0.8 PF lagging is 5%. Okay, 5% voltage regulation, 5% at 0.8 PF lagging load. So from this reading you can calculate R per unit. Already you have calculated equal to P copper full load. Okay, already you have calculated. This is something 0.01932 per unit. Okay, so you know voltage regulation formula I told you earlier. This is basically Z per unit cos theta equivalent minus phi, where phi is positive for lagging PF. After solving this formula, you will get something R per unit cos phi. After solving this, plus x per unit sin phi. Phi you can calculate because 0. This cos phi is given to you. So phi equal to cos inverse. This is 36.86 phi. So R per unit is there, voltage regulation is there, 0.05. It is given to you. R per unit, it is given to you. Cos phi, you can calculate. Sin phi, you can calculate. So you will get x per unit. Now numerical is over. So 0.05 equal to R per unit 0.01932 cos phi 36.86 plus x per unit sin 36.86. Okay, so you will get this value x per unit. It is easy only. So how to find out x per unit is how much? After solving this, you will get something 0.0575556 per unit. Okay, R per unit already you have calculated 0.01933. Okay, RC already you have calculated 86.2069 per unit. X5 how much? 22.2582 per unit. Now you have to find out actual value at low voltage side of the transformer. Okay, you have to insert all these value at low voltage side because all value you have find out in per unit. Okay, but in numerical he asked actual value. So actual value how to calculate? The low voltage side I referred this circuit. So to convert in actual value, you have to multiply each value with the per unit value into base value. So you have to find out base value. So you have to find out Z base. Z base at low voltage side equal to V square by S. Okay. So at low voltage side, voltage is 1000 volt. And what is the rating? Rating is I think 200 kV. Okay. So rating is 200 kVA. So Z base, what is the value of Z base? It is 5 ohm. So to get the actual value, you have to multiply this x per unit into 5, R per unit into 5, RC into 5. This is also into 5. So final value in ohm, I am writing here. I am inserting here all the values. सो RC क्या होगा आपका 431.0.03 ओम। ओम में कैसे किया आपने, बेस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे आप पर यूनिट वैल्यू को, यू विल गेट द एक्चुअल वैल्यू। इसका वैल्यू आएगा आपका 111.3126। काफी इजी मैंने बताया। एक्स इक्विवेलेंट आएगा आपका 0. This will be x equivalent will be equal to 0.2878 ohm. R equivalent, this will be something 0.09665 per unit. ठीक है। तो ये न्यूमेरिकल आप चेक करना पीएस विम्ब्रा में। लेंथ ही किया हुआ है मैंने यहाँ पे, शॉर्ट पर यूनिट में कैलकुलेट किया। कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल आप पर यूनिट से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू में कैलकुलेट कर देता हूँ आपकी आर। आर इक्विवेलेंट कैसे निकाला आपने, आर पर यूनिट इंटू जेड बेस। ओके, 0.01933 जेड बेस इंटू 5। ओके, तो 0.09665 ओम। सिमिलरली आप इसको सभी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से, तो आपका आ जाएगा एक्चुअल वैल्यू। होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो गाइस। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel for more updates. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, class.